Here's a 2014 International 4300 DT466 Allison automatic air brakes under CDL with a new 14L Arbortech chip box. Excellent rubber. All the service work's been done to it. Updated emissions, trim, bumper, perfect glass. Big storm brewing behind me. Aluminum fuel tank. Nice truck. All new 14L body. Ta-da. All brand new. Look at Arbortech. Heavy hinges. Nobody's going to rip any crap off with that body. Nice big boxes all the way through. Look at that. Can you get some solids in that? Oh yeah. I only do Arbortech. They're the best. Heavy rugged tires, wheel chocks, LED lighting. That box is all shot with protectors so it doesn't eat it out. Those are new plugs, RV or 6 round, fennel hitch. Everything's all straight and no rust. Matched up rubber. Very nice. All ready to go. Look at the tires. Here's a shot of the inside. Seats 3. Air conditioning will run you out. No lights in the dash. 136K. Extra fire extinguisher flares come with it from Arbortech. That concludes the video on the 2014 International. That's stock number 19024. Talk to you soon. 260-437-4577.